Yeah. Griffin. Oh! He snapped it! Hold up, hey, we don't have another board you can use because all my extra boards that I had like yesterday, they snapped them all.
Oh, good.
Like my Hubble board, don't you know the Hubble silver board? I had that Jacob snapped it on purpose.
Man, we have a video of me snapping my board. Like, God.
Get the land on both, not the middle of the fucking board.
I didn't mean to land on the middle, but I would have landed there.
That was good.
You kept riding when it was snapped.
Ow.
You can put that up on me.
Ah! My board!
Alright, let's go.
Go where?
Fucking hot. I don't know.
My house.
You don't have any extra boards?
I'm telling you, I had like so
Don't
much.
go yet.
Man, what am I gonna do? I'm carrying this around all day.
Hey,
And I'm not gonna leave my trucks.
Board, so
I'm not leaving my trucks.
No, I'm gonna give you my metal board from Don. I'm gonna take it back. Nah, he already picked this on me.
Ah!
Shit, bro. We don't have a tool. You get
Yeah,
some
I got a white tool. Oh, well,
tool. What else?
bring your board home to the house, but.
I don't want to go right now, man. Go get something to eat. We have to play kids. Go get something to eat, dog. You would have tried. Hey.
I have one more board though.
Hey, can you buy me a Monster? I'll give you like $1.36. Maybe pay for the rest.
Sure. Let's go for the food place. That
I
killed
got
him.
you on film.
Man, that's on film, me landing that crap.
Hey, let me see it. Let me see it.
Hold it.
Now we're going to the store.
Alright. Cool, you know what I want to do?
What else? Did you save it?
Yeah.
I
It automatically saves.
That's gonna happen
Oh.
on my board real fucking soon. Look at this.
I would let you do it on my board, but
I don't want to make your board.
I was gonna do it too until I seen the breaking board. I'm like, fuck, I'm gonna have to
Man, if I would have landed that, you would have had to do it. Like, you know, you can't take losing to me. I know, but if I
landed it 3 times, the other time I ran on it.
This sucks so bad. I knew I should have brought my other board. I knew it!
call your mom.
I knew it!
Call your mom.
Hurry up.
My board! Whoa! Hey! Ah!
Oh, he's seen you trying to do it, and now he can't. Now he see you have to do it, man. I feel like
You have $20 on you?
Oh, he had $10?
Money, man. All I have is $4. I want to do that, man. Come on. I can get my own board. It's alright.